Hi everyone, so for today's video, we'll be talking about Revolut versus N26. Which option is the best and who are they? Before we begin, please do hit the like and subscribe button. So to start, Revolut is a UK-based fintech company that has recently obtained a European full banking license. It has over 2 million users in Ireland and over 25 million users worldwide. Now, as for the N26, it is a German bank that currently operates in 22 countries, and it is authorized by German Central Bank as well as the European Central Bank. Both Revolut and N26 are digital banks that don't have any physical branches or locations that we can walk into. So when opening and running an account in Revolut, just follow these steps. Download the app, fill in all the necessary details, and you will be sent a BIC and IBAN almost immediately. Physical card arrives up to a week after the account initial setup, and Revolut will charge you €6 to set up an account. Free day-to-day banking, no maintenance, and annual fees. It allows us to access our account through app on smartphone, support Google Pay and Apple Pay, and offers free ATM withdrawal up to €200 per month. 2% fee added to withdrawal over €200. Okay, now when it comes to opening and running an account in N26, download the app, fill in the details, and you will be sent a BIC and IBAN again almost immediately. Physical card usually arrives up to a week after the account initial setup, and N26 is free of charge for setting up an account. It has free day-to-day banking with no maintenance. With N26, you can access your account from a laptop, tablet, phone. Support Google Pay and Apple Pay. It offers free 5 ATM withdrawals per month, and it has a €2 charge added to any withdrawals after. So now let's talk about the traveling perks in Revolut. So there is no charge up to €6,000 on transactions and 0.5% fee on all transactions over that limit. When converting back to euro, Revolut offers the interbank exchange rate with 0.5% fee for amounts over €6,000 a month. Revolut rates are dependent on currency and frequency. Certain conversions will charge a higher fee if they take place outside the foreign exchange market hours. For taking out cash abroad, Revolut offers free transactions up to €200 a month, with a 2% charge after this limit. On the other hand, traveling perks in N26 includes no foreign transaction fees when we use our card in non-euro territories. When converting back in euro, N26 offers a MasterCard rate, and for taking out cash abroad, N26 offers a charge of 0.17% on all transactions. Now let's talk about the security perks in Revolut and N26. So both allows us to temporarily freeze our card should we misplace or lose it and easily unfreeze it when it has been located again. Now Revolut offers location-based security. Both also allows us to turn off contactless payment on our card, which can be switched back on and off again at any point with ease. Okay, now let's go over the saving perks in Revolut. So it has vaults, which rounds up the amount that we spend and places that rounded amount into a vault, which allows for an easy build-up of savings to take place. It doesn't offer any interest. On the other hand, N26 has spaces, which allows us to open 2 separate saving options that we can personalize to what we're saving for. Again, this one, similar to Revolut, does not offer any interest. Now let's discuss how these applications, these banking applications, simplifies money. So both apps simplify money management. Both app offers push notifications to let us know how much we spent. They offer in-depth breakdown of when and where our money has gone to. Revolut has incredible user interface, and N26 allows us to download transactions history to PDF or CSV. It allows us to request and send money to anyone in our contact without having to know their bank details. It is easy for split bills or payback. So to sum it up, both Revolut and N26 have amazing features that simplifies us in money management and day-to-day transactions. However, when it comes to cost efficiency, N26 is slightly more cost efficient than Revolut. And that's it. We hope this video helped you out. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.